हेलो दोस्तों, मैं हूं सैलियन सर। एसके इंग्लिश हिंदी में आप सभी का एक बार से फिर से स्वागत है। आज मैंने जो डिटेक्शन उठाया है पार्लियामेंट्री रिपोर्टर का है, यानी कि पार्लियामेंट में जो डिटेक्शन बोले जाते हैं। आज मैं करीब WPM 160 वर्ड्स पर मिनट के हिसाब से बोलूँगा। जो वर्ड होंगे 840 वर्ड्स होंगे। जैसे देखिए इसमें क्या है, कुछ हम आउटलाइन बता देते हैं आपको। चीफ इलेक्शन कमिश्नर अभी आपके मैटर में आएगा, कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली आएगा और रिप्रेजेंटेटिव आएगा। ये कुछ हार्ड वर्ड हैं, देख लेते हैं थोड़ा। चीफ इलेक्शन कमिश्नर आप ऐसे आउटलाइन बनाएंगे, चीफ इलेक्शन कमिश्नर की आउटलाइन हो गई। ये कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली है, कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली बन गई। उसके बाद क्या है, रिप्रेजेंटेटिव है, ये रिप्रेजेंटेटिव हो गया। आप आउटलाइन नोट कर लीजिए, अभी डिटेक्शन मैटर में बोलता हूँ। इसमें जो स्पीड होगी WPM 116 वर्ड्स, यानी कि वर्ड पर मिनट होंगे, मतलब 160 वर्ड पर मिनट होंगे। जो मैगजीन है प्रोग्रेसिव मैगजीन है, जो प्रोग्रेसिव मैगजीन है वो है 2008 का है, अप्रैल का। तो आप लिखने के लिए तैयार हो जाएं, आउटलाइन आप बना लीजिए एक बार। जो स्पीड होगी पार्लियामेंट का है, जो पार्लियामेंट में डिक्टेशन बोले जाते हैं। तो गेट रेडी, स्टार्ट। एवर सिंस आई ऑर्डर द डिसोल्यूशन ऑफ द Lok Sabha in August this year, my government in consultation with the state government and the chief election commissioner have been engaged in preparations for holding a countrywide poll for the Lok Sabha. In a few days, the Chief Election Commissioner will be formally announcing the poll schedule. Everything that is possible is being done to conduct the election in the orderly and impartial manner. The magnitude and complexity of such a vast exercise is not without its problems. I am nevertheless determined that none of these problems will be allowed to stand in the way of holding a fair and free poll. All political parties have expressed themselves in favor of an orderly poll. There is no reason whatsoever for a reasonable person to contemplate that the elections will be postponed on one ground or the other. I would like to appeal to all people in the country not to give credence to rumors. We suggest that the postponement of the election is imminent. Such propaganda is ill-conceived and serves no purpose other than to create confusion. It is the duty of each one of us and conscientious and law-abiding citizens of this great country to dissent and such unfortunate gossip. The election will give our people an opportunity to elect their representatives to Parliament, which is supreme in all matters affecting the welfare, the well-being of our nations. The election will also give our people the opportunity to looking at programs for the common good put forward by contending political parties, and out of these elect those who is in their opinion will do the greatest good to the largest number. A stable government with the clear-cut policies and time-bound programs of action is essential if we are to advance significantly along a broad socio-economic front in the shortest time possible. A great heavy of responsibility is therefore cast on each voter while exercising his or her franchise. During our struggle for independence, we dreamed of a free India marching towards programs and prosperity through special democratic means. The founding fathers of our constitution, with whom I had the privilege of being associated as a member of the Constituent Assembly, crystallized this vision into assertion of the supreme will of our people and enshrined in the preamble to our constitution. We are pledged to democratic way only since I spoke to you last in October this year. A significant stage in the election process has been completed. The contending political parties have put out their election manifestos and have filled their candidates. We are ready for the poll. It is now for you to exercise your sovereign right as voters and express your preference for programs and individual candidates who will ultimately reflect your will in Parliament. The ensuing elections will give you an opportunity to put into position of trust and responsibility for the next 5 years, person of character and integrity and a good record of public service. During the struggle for independence, our goal was freedom from the foreign rule. Having achieved this object, we decide that the democratic way of life is most suitable to our ancient culture, our rich tradition, and the genius of our people. For 32 years since independence, we have worked hard to build up, preserve, and maintain our way of life. We have achieved in this vast country a measure of unity of diversity for which you are respected. We are the world's largest democracy and can hold our heads high in the committee of nation because of the dignity we command on this account. As we look upon the world scene today, we see the severe strain which the democratic way of life is subjected to all around us. The world watches us not without some apprehension. As we prepare to go to the polls, I am confident that our people will, as in the past, of discharge the heavy of responsibility caused on them with maturity and objectivity. This will prove to world community and ourselves that our faith in democracy remains unshaken. Election campaigns to necessarily raise controversy and tempers or occasionally frayed. I appeal to you, my countrymen, not to do anything by word or deed of peace or tarnish the fine of reputation we have built up for ourselves as a mature nation. Public conduct so far has been exemplary, and our people have been action commendable, restraint, and civic sense. We need to hold the coming of election in a peaceful and orderly manner, so that very allow these exercises or franchise out of free will and without fear favor of all other inducement. If we complete the rest of the election process in the same manner as we have conducted the last 6 general elections, we shall ever remain shining example to the rest of the world of a people firmly wedded to the principles of democracy and the peaceful orderly conduct of national affairs for all the times. तो आपने मैटर लिख लिया होगा। करीब जो वर्ड था 160 वर्ड्स पर मिनट, यानी 160 वर्ड पर मिनट के हिसाब से मैं बोल रहा था। ये जो वर्ड था 840 वर्ड, यानी 840 वर्ड था आपका। 840 वर्ड करीब आपका 5 मिनट में मैटर बोला गया है। ये जो मैटर था पार्लियामेंट्री रिपोर्टर का था। मैंने प्रोग्रेसिव मैगजीन उठाई थी। मैंने आपको प्रोग्रेसिव मैगजीन में बोला है पार्लियामेंट्री में इसी तरह या मीडिया में जो होते हैं इसी तरह स्पीड से बोली जाती है। तो मैं आपको देखो, पहला तो मैं आपको जो डिक्टेशन दे रहा हूँ, इंग्लिश का भी डिक्टेशन देता हूँ और मैं हिंदी का भी डिक्टेशन दे रहा हूँ आपको। और जो आउटलाइन होती है, मैं इंग्लिश भी पढ़ता हूँ और मैं शॉर्ट हैंड की आउटलाइन की भी डिक्टेशन मैं आपको बोलता हूँ। इससे आपका ये बेनिफिट होगा, जो शॉर्ट हैंड की आउटलाइन में बोलता हूँ उसमें जो ज्वाइंटेड वर्ड हैं वो एक साथ निकलता है, और जो इंग्लिश में होते हैं कभी कभी थोड़ा छूट जाते हैं। इसलिए मैं कुछ आपको डिफरेंट दे रहा हूँ ताकि आप इससे अच्छा इंप्रूव कर सकें। थैंक्स फॉर माई वॉचिंग वीडियो।